All right, I have another cool tool to show you on Majestic. This is actually the tool that I use the most on Majestic. And I remember that I would always buy a new account and pay for another account when I had to use this tool. And I'll show you what the tool is. You're going to like it. Now, we've been going through all these placements, right? How do we know which one of these are going to be the ones we want to start with? How in the heck are we going to do? Well, I'm going to grab I'll just grab. You can do 400 of these at a time. So what you do is, once you logged into Majestic, go to Tools, and this is in the light version, so this will be $50 a month to be able to use these tools here, this tool here. And all you do is, it's a bulk backlink checker. Paste it in. And I'll show you. Come over here so you can see it. Check backlinks. We used to do a lot of like naughty stuff with expired domains, and this is how we would check them. And the only reason we quit doing that naughty stuff is because it quit working as well as it did in the past. I'm a white hat marketer out of necessity. Black hat was a lot easier. I just quit doing black hat because it quit working. It works for some niches, but I don't work in every niche. All right, so what did we just do? Well, all we did was we went and got the metrics on every one of those backlink placements that you've been building. Well, 400 of them at least. In this case, I don't know how many I did. But now I can I can really tell exactly what the metrics of each of those link opportunities are, and then I export the data. Now, as I start going through link placements, and I'm not going to do that yet because we're going to go through the Moz tool next. Did I hit it twice? I bet you I did. I'm so impatient. All right, now what am I going to do? Well, enable and editing. Let's do a couple of things. First of all, let's get rid of these. Some of this stuff, I'm like, guys, all this information really important. I just want to make sure I keep trust flow, and I guess we keep citation flow. You know what? I don't care about citation flow. Okay, all the topical trust flow. Yeah, we'll keep that. And now, as you can tell, it'll tell you what each of these links and what each of the topical trust flow is on it. So as I go through, I can say, okay, do I want a link from Owly? That's Hootsuite's. That's Hootsuite's URL shortener. But I could say, okay, do I want a link from tech.co? What's their trust flow? What's 31? And it's about society and people. You know what? I'm not really feeling that. I want to go after like a business financial ones first. Let's go after all those, and then I just go down the spreadsheet and I look. Well, that's a 28 topical trust flow. It is about business financial services, and then all I do, and this is so simple. You don't want to do too many things at once. Just highlight it, and then highlight this one. And that's business services, so I don't really want that as much right now. I want to go through and get the business financial services, because that's going to be the cleanest link. All right, so this is what you do. I mean, it's not fun work, but this bulk checker makes it easy, because we have to figure out who to start out with as we start building these links, and we're going to have a huge spreadsheet. You're going to have a biggest spreadsheet as I am probably, and we're going to have to be able to sort through it and figure out what link opportunities we want to go after, and this is the tool that will help you do it. It's Moz's, not Moz's. I always get Majestic and Moz mixed up. It's Majestic's bulk backlink checker. I highly recommend it when you have to crunch a lot of numbers, and you can't do them all at once, right? You can only do one at a time, so you might as well start at your best opportunities and work down the list until you get to a part that isn't of any value to you. Then you toss it out and you go out and find some more links to go after. So that's the bulk backlink checker, and you may want to sort out some of the placements that you found. But right now, I suggest that you hold off on that until you watch the Moz videos, which are coming up next. And I'm going to show you how to find more link opportunities using Moz. And then once you have the link opportunities found from all three tools, then we got to sort through that list and look at what the opportunities are for each one of them and which, what type of links you're going to build to each of them. So there's a lot we have to do in this course, but these tools are going to make it easier. And so that's why I'm showing you how to use it. So that's the Majestic bulk backlink checker. All right, next video we're going to talk about Moz.